Alright, so here's my kayak. I have this all set up. This is a trailer, a kid's trailer that you put back behind a bike. Now, my niece and nephew are too big now, and I don't haul stuff with my bike anymore. But I still could, because I still have the apparatus that hooks up to the bike. I just have to rig up something, you know, to hold like a basket or something on there. But I made it into a kayak hauler, which they cost between, good ones between like $100 to $300 plus. And so for $0, I made it. So I hooked this up so it's always on there. It's tight. There's a lip on this side of the kayak so it sits there. And I put the aft end of my kayak on. Okay. Pick up the handle. And I can carry my kayak around. There's a bungee cord that goes around the front there. And it's enough to keep the kayak there. If I really wanted to, I could, you know, hook it in this lip right here. Bring it forward and kind of hook it in the lip as well. So it can't go forward, can't go backwards. So I can carry my kayak much more easily, and I'm not dragging it on the ground. There is a way to collapse the whole assembly. There's pins. Right down there, you pull that pin out and the tires come off. And then the middle part down in here, there's two little buttons that you can press and you can split them apart. So I would be able to take them apart and take them with me. You see my kayak's a .65. It's a Mercury kayak. And I just rigged this up today. Put on new stripes just to be a little bit more reflective, and I got that on the stern too. This whole thing is the stern. This is a modular kayak. You can take it apart, as you can see. But I think even with the whole stern assembled together, this whole thing, I believe I'd be able to, no problem, carry my kayak around. So that's awesome. I'm really happy. As you can see, it's just a bungee cord. They had a bolt that went through here, and I just hooked it in there with a bungee cord. And then this one is just a strap that stays on. It's you can see, just hooks on right there, and it's the same thing on the other side. And then I just tighten this down so it can't go any further this way, and that's it. It just slips in there, and then with the bungee cord on, you're ready to go. So here's my Jeep. I just configured this up so I can fit the stern in here. I mean the aft section. Here's the aft. If I do it sideways, I can fit my kayak in here with the cart. So I won't have to take all of that apart or anything and put it in separately.